Hello and welcome to Sewist Online Pattern Making Software channel. Drafting a pattern requires you to mark points and connect them with lines, arcs or curves. With Sewist, you use a simple coding language to draft sewing patterns. Today we shall look at the function apply. It puts a point at the given distance from an existing point, in the mentioned direction. The syntax is as follows: name of the new point, equation sign, brackets open, name of an existing point, distance, angle, brackets close. Let us see how angles work on Sewist Software. In this example we shall use point P1 as our reference point, so I shall demonstrate angles from this point. 0 lies to the right, in the same direction as x-axis. 90 degrees is downwards, at 6 o'clock. 180 degrees is to the left, at 9 o'clock. 270 degrees is upwards, at 12 o'clock. As you can see, angles work clockwise. In case you add one angle to another angle, you will also be moving clockwise. For example, if you add 90 degrees to 180 degrees, you will move clockwise from the left upwards. Now let us see at the command that placed point P2. The code says to apply 10 centimeters at 0 degrees from point P1. We can see that the distance is in fact 10 centimeters. And as we remember, 0 degrees is to the right from point P1. The next line of code places point P3 at the same distance from point P1 but at the angle of 30 degrees. The next point, P4, is again at 10 centimeters from point P1, at the angle of 90 degrees, so downwards at 6 o'clock. Point P5 is at 150 degrees from point P1. Point P6 is at 180 degrees from P1, so to the left at 9 o'clock. Point P7 is at 270 degrees. We could also have said at minus 90 degrees. Both values are upwards at 12 o'clock. Negative angles work counterclockwise. If we move 90 degrees counterclockwise from 0, we will end up in the same direction as plus 270 degrees. Let's place our next point, P8, at a negative angle, minus 45 degrees. As you can see, we moved counterclockwise from 0. I hope you enjoyed this short video about Sewist Online Pattern Making Software. If you have any questions, you are welcome to ask them in comments to this video, or in our forum at www.sewist.com. We also encourage you to follow us on YouTube, Instagram and Facebook. Happy sewing!